Guys, welcome back to Crypto TV. This is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and today we are here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about a lot of technical tools to see what the charts are telling us technically. So quickly, I'll be moving on to the Bitcoin first. And currently we have seen there is a good sell-off in the equities as well as in the cryptocurrencies asset classes, and that's the reason the current market price of Bitcoin is at currently trading at 35,000. So yesterday also we have seen a fall of more than 2%, and today also, as of now, since we need to wait for the closing, so as of now it's 5% down from the previous close. Now that's the reason, because the price is falling, that's the reason we are getting a bearish trend. And if you look at the RSI, so RSI is currently at 32. Now it's also approaching its lower level of 30. Now if you look at the moving averages, I'm using the exponential moving averages for 50, 100 and 200 days. So 50 EMA is at 41,612, 100 EMA is at 44,493 and 200 EMA is at 45,960. Now if you look at the current market price, which is below than all the three moving averages, so ये भी एक हमें यहाँ पे अच्छा confirmation दे रहा है डाउन ट्रेंड का, क्योंकि अगर प्राइस 200 EMA जो कि एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल है उसके भी नीचे ट्रेड होता है, so we are definitely in a downtrend only. Now if you look at the daily support and resistance levels, so as of now, since we are waiting for the closing, the current market price is trading at the support 1 level, which is at 35,335, but still we are taking this as a support till the time we are not getting a close below than the support level. So as of now, the support 1 is at 35,335, support 2 is at 29,713, resistance 1 is at 41,211 and resistance 2 is at 45,332. Let's quickly move on to the Bitcoin chart, and we'll see what is happening there. Okay, now if you look at here, this is the downtrend. The price tried to break this previous high, but it was it failed basically. And this 45,000 levels a few days back was very important, because the price tried to break this level many a times. But if you look at the fundamental situation, if you look at the overall global situation, so because of that Russia and Ukraine war, we can see a sell-off in almost both of the asset classes, which are equities and cryptocurrencies, and that's the reason we can see a rise in the gold prices as well. Now if you look at here, you can see that yes, so this was the yesterday's movement, which is like more than 2% fall, and today the price is 5%, more than 5% fall is there. Now if you look at closely, you can see that the price is very nicely behaving on this support level, and it even came down to 34,324. so as of now, this is the low point for today's movement. We need to wait also, and just look at the volume. So volumes are amazing. At least it's increasing from past few days. Now if you look at this movement, and if let's say if today closes below than this level, you will definitely see that the next support level will be 29,713, and this 35,335 level will become the support will become the resistance level. So here the price is at a very crucial level, and we need to see what's going to happen, and for that we need to wait for the closing. Now if you look at the moving averages here, the 100 and 200 EMAs, we have got a crossover a few days back, and now because the price is sharply going down, we can see a good divergence in between in these two moving averages as well. Now we need to wait, we need to see if the price falls more. Definitely you will see more divergence into this particular moving averages. So this is the outlook. We are very bearish as of now for this whole cryptocurrency, and let's see what's happening with the Ethereum chart. So Ethereum is also following the same movement, as you have seen in the Bitcoin case. So currently it's also falling around 8% today, and that's the reason the price is around 2,363. The trend is downtrend only. And also if you look at the RSI, so RSI is also at a 32 levels, which again approaching the lower level of 30. Now the 50 EMA level is at 2,995, which is very near to 3,000 levels, and 100 EMA and 200 EMA is almost at the same level. So if you if you have seen our previous videos, we were talking about this crossover of the 100 and 200 EMAs. Like, if that happens, you will definitely see more momentum in the price action. Now, if you look at the support and resistance levels, so support 1 is at 2,336, support 2 is at 1,817, resistance 1 is at 2,855, and resistance 2 is at 3,361. Let's quickly move on to the chart of Ethereum, and let's see what we are getting it from the chart. Okay, now this is the downtrend which I was talking about, and you can see that today also it's like more than 8% fall, you can see. And even if you look at yesterday, so it was down by 2%. And look at the volumes here, which is good today's, and still the market is open, still the time is there, so we might see more volumes coming up for today. And this is the crossover which I was talking about. So if you see a crossover, if you get a good divergence here, you will definitely see more fall in the Ethereum also. But again, if you look at here, this is the price is very nicely taking up this support level. If the price breaks this level, closes below than this level, you will definitely see that the next support will be at 1,817. Now, if you look at the overall situation, you can see that the downtrend is there. So still we are getting a bearish or a downtrend only. So this is how we basically conduct the analysis for every day for these two currencies. So I hope you gained something. Be with us every day. Thank you so much.